Character. You do not chase money at the expense of your soul. You build wealth because your character deserves it. Speak these affirmations every morning. Let your body follow your disciplined mind. This is how leaders are built. Now we begin. The foundation of non-negotiable integrity. Close your eyes. Visualize yourself standing at sunrise on the edge of a high-rise overlooking a vast city. Opportunity stretches in every direction. The skyline glows with possibility. Deals are being made. Markets are opening. Ambition fills the air. Feel the energy. Now look down beneath your feet. You are not standing on glass. You are not standing on sand. You are standing on stone, engraved with 5 words: truth, discipline, honor, courage, self-respect. These are your foundation. As you breathe in, imagine opportunities rising toward you like glowing lights from the city below. Some shine clearly, some flicker strangely. One opportunity approaches. It promises fast advancement, recognition, money, influence. But as it draws closer, you feel tension in your chest. It requires exaggeration. It requires silence about something important. It requires bending a value. Pause in the visualization. Feel your spine straighten. You are not desperate. You are powerful. You gently step back from the glowing offer. It dims. It disappears. Another opportunity rises, slower, steadier, aligned. It feels clean. You accept that one. Feel the difference in your body. Now anchor this identity. Say this aloud. I do not compromise my values for wealth and success. My foundation is built on truth. I honor my principles in every environment. I stand firm when tested. I am not tempted by shortcuts. My standards are non-negotiable. I value integrity over income. I choose long-term honor over short-term gain. My character is my greatest asset. I build success from the inside out. I trust my moral compass. I walk away from anything misaligned. I am disciplined in thought and action. I respect myself too much to betray my values. My confidence comes from alignment. I lead myself first. I remain grounded in pressure. I win clean.